Hi folks, this is a quick review of my two Boardman mountain bikes. I've got a Boardman Team 2016 and I have the Boardman Comp 2016 as well. The Boardman Comp is 650 quid at the moment in Halfords, which I think's a real nice price for what you get. It's got the Radion forks, which are excellent. Pity there's no max 15-inch through bolt, but other than that, they're great forks. It's got 2x10 gear system, X5s, Suntour crank, 2x10s. It's got your Continentals, 27.5s again, 650B, and it's got a Boardman homemade wheels. The Team, which is one up from that, it's got your Mavics on it, XM319s, which are a bit heavy, but you need a really strong wheel, I think, when it comes to 29ers. So in that case, you know, it's good. It's got your DB5s, brakes, centerline rotors, 180, 160, and the pièce de résistance is it's got the GX 1x11 with an FSA comic crank. RockShox Recons. These do have the through bolt, which, you know, it does add a bit of stiffness, must be said. They are air sprung. This is $8.50 to buy. The one thing I don't like about this, which I can't understand why they did it, they put the straight swing around bars, whereas on the Comp it's got the risers, and the risers, let me tell you, are a lot better. This is my first review, so excuse me if nobody likes it. Thank you.